If I just open the Contacts app on my iPhone, here you can see there is All Contacts category which has 26 contacts, and also under iPhone there are all iPhone 26 contacts. That means all contacts are on my iPhone and they are not synced to iCloud. If I just tap on all contacts and select any contact, here you won't find the option to directly sync this contact to iCloud. So how do you sync iPhone contacts to iCloud? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to sync iPhone contacts to iCloud. In order to sync iPhone contacts to iCloud, let's first go back and minimize the Contacts app. Next, we have to go to settings. And once you are in settings, you have to make sure that you are logged into your iPhone with the iCloud account. So simply log into your iCloud account or Apple account on your iPhone, and after that you will see something like this. You will see your iCloud name on the top. So you have to tap on that, and then you will see the details regarding your Apple account. Here, if you scroll, you will get the option for iCloud. Tap on iCloud, and next you will see the option for Save to iCloud. This will show all the information of apps using iCloud. So you have to tap on See All, and now you can see all the apps that are saving their data to iCloud. So since we want to sync iPhone contacts to iCloud, so what we will have to do is we will have to simply scroll a bit, and next to contact we will have to toggle it on so that Contacts app should be saving in the iCloud account. So turn it on, and then it will show a prompt asking whether you want to merge local contact to iCloud or not. So simply tap on merge, and all your existing local contacts from iPhone will also be merged to iCloud and synced as well. So this way you may start syncing iPhone contacts to iCloud. So you have to just make sure that you have toggled it on and keep it that way only, so that your contacts should be syncing on iCloud. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to sync iPhone contacts to iPad, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.